Alright YouTubers, this is Scuba Chris. I'm over here at 4th Chapter Bowling Alley, where from Game On Pro Shop, which is owned and operated by Roy Yamanuha. I just got the C4, which is the bowling brace by Storm. This brace is fantastic. As you know, I've been nursing a bad wrist that I got into an accident with, and I decided to get this to help straighten my wrist until everything's all healed up. This thing is great. Okay, in your C4 you're going to have padding over here, and sometimes if you don't want the padding there, you can use the Storm liners, and they're a lot thinner, so if fit is a problem, you can take these out because they're just Velcro sealed in here, and you can use a liner instead. Okay, I like to use the cushioning that it comes with. You can use a liner, but I prefer to use the cushioning that's in here. I do use a compression sleeve, which to me helps a lot. So if you want the ball to go straighter, what you do, okay, turn this knob out. It's going to hit this part, okay? Bring the latch up. Once you bring the latch up, notice, look. See that? It's going to go in and out. So I find that if you want the ball to go straight, like say you want to go for the corner pin, go all the way, will go inside, flick it down, and that will cause the ball to go straighter. Now if you want just a bit of turn, see this knob here? I would line it up just until it hits the corner over here, like so. Lock it down. Now, with this straight setting, what's going to happen is that when you throw the ball straight, it's going to go long, and then it's going to turn in the back. Now, if you want the ball to turn a lot more in the back, what you do is you reset this again, and now you get the lateral movement, see? This will cause the ball to have more rotation. So depending, you got to look at the graph here. Now, depending on your preference, you can just turn it and bring this out a little bit more, because when you bring it out, what happens is now you're cupping the ball more. So if you bring this out and you turn it and you lock it, see what happens? Now you're going to put a lot more lift on the ball. You're going to come around the ball more with this setting. I love this thing. Right now, my wrist doesn't have much wrist strength because of a previous injury, and I'm almost over it. So this is just going to help you out in the meantime.